Arena gikaro na andiki a mohoro thaa 8 cia mĩaraho ya ũmũthĩ, mwaria wa thirikari ya Mwaura nĩ arekereirie ndũmĩrĩri yake ha kũrĩ bũrũri.
Regrettably, ladies and gentlemen, an additional 6 Kenyans have been reported to have lost their lives in the last 24 hours. This brings the total number of lives lost of fellow Kenyans to 142. That is 1 child, 1 male in Tana River, 1 male in Taita Taveta, 2 children in Machakos, and 1 male in Kisumu.
Hihi thirikari ĩgakorwo kũ mũthenya wa Jumamothi na Kiumia.
So from Saturday, you'll be seeing ministers and PSS, and at some point you may also see the deputy president in some of the counties to go and look at what is happening on the ground.
Augite ati ni icigo nyingĩ cirĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya mũiyũro na nĩ aratarĩria ona icigo ingĩ nĩ iratanywo kũgwatwo nĩ mbura ya Elnino na njĩra nene.
The growing number of displaced individuals. The Dadaab refugee camp has borne a heavy toll with approximately 6,000 people displaced as the Hagute, Ifo, and Hagadera areas have been submerged.
Ona okorwo thirikari no irathiĩ Nambere na kuheana ũteithio wa irio na indo ingĩ kũrĩ Akenya, ũndũ wa bata thirikari ĩramaĩrĩria kũrĩ o nĩ memenyerere kuona atĩ mũtino ndũrĩ njamba.
Lakini ni vizuri tujue kwamba tusiseme kwamba imepungua ikiwa sasa hatuchukui tahadhari. Hususan tunataka kuambia watu ambao wako katika mashariki na hata kusini mwa bonde la Ufa wasiweze, na pia kusini mashariki wasiweze kuwa wakifikiri kwamba mambo yamepunguka. Mambo sio mazuri hivyo, hususan upande wa Kwale na upande wa kule Garissa kusini. Hilo ni jambo ambalo tunafaa kusisitizia sana.
Bui wa Maina.